guys, exciting news. We are finally painting, which is good. It kind of sucks because we should have painted yesterday, but Dawson wanted to go fishing, so I didn't want to really bother him and mask and stuff, so I let him go fishing. Like I said, it still kind of sucks. I wanted to paint last night. That way I could put it together today, but you know, like I said, sometimes you gotta basically bite the bullet and, you know, just let him do his thing. So right now he's matching paint. My cousin Jose is going to help me out for a little bit. We're going to try to get these lines lined out the best we can when we put the grill and the bumper on, so that way it's not offset. So that's going to be a little bit challenging, but yeah, let me go ahead and show you what we got. Alright guys, if you haven't noticed, that's actually my second coat of sealer. The other scene, well, never mind that. Anyways, all this was pretty dirty, but we got it nice and smooth. Like I said, we just put on our second coat. There were a couple runs that we had to fix as well, but we got all those taken care of. Up next, we're gonna go ahead and spray my black. Like I said, we're gonna paint most of this black and most of the grill black. So thankfully my cousin Jose offered to help me out, which I really appreciate. Thank you. So we'll see how this goes. Like I said, it's going to be kind of a long night. They're just going to help me lay down the lines and they're going to head out. So that's basically all I need them for. Other than that, you know, after we lay down the black, set up our lines, and then we're going to go ahead and paint it the tan color. After the tan color, then we can go ahead and clear it. So like I said, it's going to be a long night, so just bear with us. Cousin had to go drop off his brother really quick, so we are going to get ready to spray it. So like I said, we're going to spray the middle black and then the middle section on that bumper black as well. So we'll see how it goes. Everything's pretty dry. I'm gonna put another coat of black on here. There are some spots that I missed in there. It's pretty hard to get in there, so I think what I might do is hit it first and then go over it. But all in all, we are getting close to getting this all done and ready to go. Jose in a way had to leave for a little bit. Jose's coming back, so yeah. But let me go ahead and put another coat on. We'll see what it looks like from there. Alright guys, everything's all masked up. Big shout out to my cousin Jose. We got everything all masked up, everything's all lined off. So now it's time to spray. 2 coats on everything and then next stop, clear. Let's get started. gonna look sick, huh? Shout out to Jose, the best. Alright everyone, we are in the final stages, and what I mean by that is we are ready to clear. A little sneak peek for you guys. This is my idea of what I was going to do to the grill. So this one was a little bit of a challenge, trying to line up the lines. We even did on top. So the grill, once we put the grill on the truck and the bumper on the truck, all the lines should line up. If it doesn't, that's okay. That'll tell us next time that we should put everything on the truck, lay out our lines, and then basically get it ready to paint. But other than that, everything is ready for clear. I'm a little bit nervous on this one just because there's a lot of edges that I had to get. But other than that, we are ready. So wish me luck, and I'll let you guys know how it looks at the end. Alright, just finished up the first coat. I got about 5 more minutes before I put on another one. I do have a dry spot right there, which kind of sucks, so I'm gonna have to put a little bit more on there. And I think I have a run right there. That one right there is in the base. This one right here is the clear. You can kind of tell I laid it on because it's flat right there and the rest is all textured. But that's alright. That was pretty hard. I think the best way to smooth it out was to prime it, but like I said, I just didn't have enough time, so we just went ahead and just did it like this. So this turned out smooth. It honestly looks way better in person than it does on camera, even though on camera it probably looks pretty good. But yeah, so I got 5 more minutes and then we're gonna put on our last coat. And yeah, we'll be done and ready to go home. Just finally laid my last coat of clear. I couldn't have the most biggest smile on my face. Everything turned out good. There are a little bit of sags. I wouldn't say runs, but sags. Let me show you, like right there. But that's basically the only sag that I see, other than I think there's a small one right here. Right there. But like I said, it's gonna be down low. If it was SEMA, I totally would have redone everything. But since it's just regular car shows here, I think we should be A-okay. But I am one happy guy. Painter, body man, whatever. Everything turned out good. Now I'm just gonna let it bake. I'll probably come swing by in the morning, take everything out. And then probably the next day I'll put everything back together. But you know, I'm tired. I'm gonna go hang out with my wife because I miss her today. And, well, every day. But today especially, I wanna go home. I wanna go hang out with her, so. Until next time, you guys, wait until the next video. Then you can finally see what this looks like. So see you around.